The story of 11 villages of the Simrol region forests on the Indore-Khandwa road is a story of rejuvenation. Hundreds of people here were fighting for water. The farmlands had started to go barren. Cattle would wander around in search of fodder and water. People had started to desert the villages in search of employment. The villagers were going through really trying times. Then, the fates of the villagers took a turn as something quite unexpected happened. There was a time when 11 villages like Bai, Sandal, Mandal, Bherughat, Gajinda, Lalpura and Tagripura were in severe drought in the Simrol region on Indore-Khandwa road. People depend on the rain god Indradev's kindness. If there was a proper crop in the year, it was considered a privilege. The life of the people depends solely on the Sukri river. If there was any water in the river, then somehow the work of the villagers would go on as usual. When the summer season came and the rain stopped, the Sukri river would also dry up. In such a situation, the lives of these villagers would become extremely difficult. The tube wells and small ponds which the villagers had dug on their own would dry up too. The result of all this was that there was no way of livelihood in these areas. People started leaving their villages in search of work. Those who were the owners of land had to work in different regions in order to feed themselves and their households. Due to lack of water, the area would become dry every now and then. It was difficult for humans to get fodder and water for their animals. There was a travesty for water. The villagers pleaded with their administration several times. Finally, their prayers were answered. After the efforts of the villagers and the administration, the Sukri river, flowing within a radius of 9 kilometers, was revived.
पहले तो बहुत बुरी स्थिति थी सर, हर नदी में जगह जगह खड्डे खोद रखे थे लोगों ने.
At first, the situation was very bad. People were digging ditches all over in the river. Now, with the arrival of water from the Narmada line, there is greenery everywhere. All people have got pipelines done. Water is going up to 2000 meters far and wide. We ourselves have got pipeline done up to 2000 meters. Earlier, we used to take only one crop. Now, 2 crops are being taken for wheat.
अब गेहूं के भी 2 फसल लेते हैं.
सर यहाँ राजीव गांधी मिशन के थ्रू तो बने कम से कम 300-400 डैम.
300 to 400 dams of Rajiv Gandhi mission have been built here. All drains have been blocked in the hill. The rest are made by the government. We have a 9-kilometer long river here, starting from our village to Bherughat. Now with the release of the water from Narmada, we have got enough water for drinking as well as for cattle.
पानी छोड़ने से हमारे यहाँ पर्याप्त जल की व्यवस्था होगी सर. खेती भी करते हैं पीने के लिए, मवेशी के लिए.
Small back dams were built everywhere. They were then connected to the Narmada river. When both the rivers were connected, the Sukri river was revived once again. Now it is never empty. It does not matter whether it rains in the region or not. With the blessings of Narmada, now the sad days of these 11 villages have passed. People lined up their fields and homes near the flow of the river. Due to the grace of Narmada, there is plenty of water in the fields. There are 3 crops in each season. The vegetable business is also flourishing. The cattle are thriving. Now there is no shortage of fodder and water. The milk business also started to run once again. When the Sukri river rejuvenated, the climate of the dry forest of Simrol on the Indore-Khandwa road also changed.
जो नदी को हमने पुनर्जीवित किया है उसमें बेसिकली ये प्रयास किए गए थे कि
Basically, these efforts were made in the river which we have revived. There are 2 themes in it. One is IWMP and other is Rural Mission. Under this, we had taken up projects of water management. Those were projects of stop dam. When the flow decreases after rainy season, the collected water is preserved. After that, the wastewater that flows there is flown beyond the wastewater. This does not have any adverse effect on the river because small stop dam remain the water also remain stored for the upcoming season, which is useful for the other crops.
छोटे स्टॉप डैम्स रहते हैं और ऊपर से वहाँ पे पानी भी अग्रिम जो सीजन रहते हैं जैसे जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, इसमें भी संग्रहित रहता है, जिससे कि दूसरी फसल और तीसरी फसल लोग भी ले पाते हैं वहाँ के जो आसपास के किसान हैं।
सर आगे कोई प्रयास वहाँ
ऐसे ही हम लोग जो सिमरौल सेक्टर है इसके साथ
Similarly, we are making projects for watersheds and we are also taking more rivers. Action plan for revival of these rivers is being planned for next 2 years.
जैसे छोटे स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, लूज बोल्डर, गेविन, सब स्ट्रक्चर से लेकर छोटे स्टॉप डैम, ये सभी लिए जाएंगे, जो कि अग्रिम वर्ष 2021-22 की हम कार्य योजना बना रहे हैं, जो कि प्रोजेक्ट उसका निष्पादन किया जाएगा।
The efforts of the villagers brought colors to the land. The income of the villagers increased. People who had gone out in search of work returned to their fields. The luck and hard work of the villagers finally brought them peace. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.